Hello, dear friend. Today, I want to tell you a simple story. It is not a story of magic or big adventure. It is a story of a girl, a small mistake, a long walk, and a big feeling inside her heart. Let's begin. Her name is Lila. She is 22 years old. She works in a small bakery in the city. Every day, she takes the bus home. Every day, the same bus, the same time. But today was different. Lila was busy. She cleaned the floor. She counted the money. She helped one last customer. She looked at the clock. "Oh no," she said. "It's 6:05. Her bus comes at 6:10. She ran out of the bakery. She ran fast. Her shoes made small sounds on the street. The bus stop was 1 block away. She saw the bus stop, but the door was closing. "Wait," she shouted. But the driver did not hear her. The bus drove away. Lila stopped. She stood still. She felt tired. She felt sad. Her home was very far. She had no money for a taxi. Her phone battery was low. And it was getting dark. She had only one choice. Walk. Lila took a deep breath. She looked at the road. She did not know every street. But she knew the way. She started walking. The wind touched her hair. The sky was orange and purple. The air smelled like bread and traffic. Her bag felt heavy. But her heart felt heavier. "I missed the bus," she thought. "It's just a small thing. But why do I feel so sad?" She looked around. People walked fast. They talked on phones. No one looked at her. "I feel small," she thought. Like a little drop of water in a big river. But she kept walking. After 20 minutes, her feet began to hurt. She sat on a small bench. A cat walked near her. It rubbed its head on her leg. She smiled. "Hello, little friend," she said. The cat meowed and walked away. Lila felt a little better. Small things have power, she thought. She got up and walked again. She passed a small park. Children were playing. One child fell. He cried. His mother picked him up. The boy stopped crying. He smiled. Lila watched. She remembered her mother. She missed her. A soft sadness came to her heart. But also a little light. A warm memory. Suddenly, she heard a voice. "Miss! Wait!" She turned. A young man was running. He held something in his hand. It was her wallet. "You dropped this," he said, breathing hard. She took it. Her hand shook. "Thank you. Thank you so much." He smiled and walked away. She opened the wallet. Her ID, her bus card, her photo of Mom, all were there. Lila stood still. The world felt kind again. But the sky was now dark. Lila kept walking. The streets were quiet. Some shops closed. Some windows were dark. Then, she turned into a wrong street. She stopped. "This is not the way," she said. Her phone had 2% battery. She used the map. She walked quickly. But 2 boys followed her. They were laughing. One of them said, "Hey girl, where are you going?" Lila walked faster. Her heart beat fast. Her hands were cold. Then she saw a shop. It was small, but the lights were on. She ran inside. An old woman stood at the counter. "Are you okay?" the woman asked. Lila nodded. "I think I took the wrong street." The woman said, "You are safe here." Lila sat down. She drank water. She cried a little. The woman gave her a soft smile. "Sometimes we are lost," the woman said. "But we can always find the way." Lila thanked her and left the shop. She turned on her phone light. She found the right street. Now, the night was quiet, only stars and a soft wind. She walked for 20 more minutes. She was tired. But her steps were strong. She thought about the day. The missed bus. The kind stranger. The scary street. The soft cat. The mother and child. She smiled. This walk is long, she thought. But I know who I am. She reached her home. She opened the door. Her small room waited for her. Her bed. Her books. Her peace. She sat down. She took off her shoes. She looked at her photo of Mom. She said, "I am safe now." Then she closed her eyes. And slept. Thank you for listening. Maybe you had a day like Lila. Maybe you had a long walk too. But remember, even a hard day has beauty. Even a lost path can teach us something. See you next time.